Angel, what are we doing today?
Taking pictures of the fine mamas. Like this one.
We're taking pictures of models, like that model right there.
She's a bit shy.
Model.
She's a bit shy,
She's
but
a bit shy.
She's a sexy mama that needs to be taken.
Mama. Like this sexy mama right
Just
here.
like this sexy mama
This
right
sexy
here.
mama right
This
here.
sexy mama.
Yeah.
Right here. It's way better than the other mama.
Oh, what'd you say, mama? We're here in the car show, TSTC, and I'm here with Angel.
And I'm here with Bert that's going to dress up in a bikini in a bitch.
He already said yes.
Oh. So we got over here, Lonely Car. Yeah, that's the show, Lonely Car.
Ball.
Here we have the most famous photographer in the world. What's up?
Hello, Mom.
What are you doing? Let me see your photos.
They're not good.
They're not good.
Not good after all.
What kind of cars do you like?
Sports.
Sports. It's a bunch of classics.
No words for it. No words.
We got here a winning car.
Here we have Bert. Almost kneeling.
Yeah, I got it.
He likes it to be at the knees, that's why.
You're wearing the same shirt from last week.
Wait, am I?
That's his weekend shirt.
Yeah,
That's my weekend shirt.
Taking video of you now.
Hello, sexy mama.
No. I just find the hair sexy. That's pretty much it.
Your hair is sexy too.
I don't like this kind of skinship right here.
Yes, she does. She loves the hobby.
Stefania's favorite jam.
No. There we have the duo. Oh, no, one left. Oh, come on, Angel.
Wait,
I don't want your big kid in here. Hello.
Hello.
What you doing?
Taking pictures of sports cars and classic cars, I guess. I don't know what to say.
Bert looking like he knows what he's doing here. Clearly he's not.
What you say?
Nothing. Just discovered a child. They say the motor right there. What do you think about this?
That's my son.
You let your son be in there.
He's hiding. He's playing hide and seek. You know we're finding him there.
Yeah, I see that.
Ball.
Get inside of that car, that trunk. Look inside of that trunk.
Really?
Front.
Vlog.
Oh, there's a little kid inside.
I think it's a good day to be wearing a hoodie, right?
No, it's not. Bye, kitty. Yeah, that's what we do all day. That's pretty much it.
It's gonna be for his Tinder profile.
Yeah, and apparently it's not gonna work out.
It's not?
Because we'll later find out it's not his car.
Where's your car? What are you gonna say?
It's at the repair shop.
And then a month will go by, and where's the damn car still?
It's still at the repair shop. It got severely damaged.
Just say because you were raising it a lot.
Yeah, I was racing it a lot and it just got destroyed.
And see this, girls? This is how guys lie.
Oh, she got proof.
I wouldn't lie to you, mama.
Do you just did?
Nope, I would never.
I want this car. Look at them doing that. You should have seen it right now. Both of you just went down at the same time.
Really?
You were trained with each other, weren't you?
We know each other
We have
so
the
well.
same mind. I didn't do it.
So, what's the wedding between you two?
What?
We haven't decided yet, but it'll be shown. It'll be shown.
I want a divorce.
No, you don't want to divorce.
You're not even married yet.
We're not even married yet, you buffoon.
We gotta marry first, then divorce.
Yeah.
Yes, that's how it works.
And then she's gonna get married too with us. So it's gonna be a 3-way wedding. Or is it?
It looks like a picture.
Let's see how did he screw up.
Hey, don't record the screw up.
Which car would you want? The one on the left or the one on the right? The one on the left, huh?
Even though it's a police car, but still. Bert will prefer that one.
And there we go again. He's kneeling. That's his favorite position of the day.
Jesus Christ, this one's
Of the month, actually. Oh, it is too. Yeah, apparently that's his favorite position of the whole week now, isn't it?
Hey. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, let's just do this.
You like peer pressure, Mama? How does it feel someone having the camera on you, Mama?
Meh. And then we have the big flag up there. And back to Amazing Cars. And Angel.
Like my car right here.
Oh, wow. Did you put the invisibility cloak on it?
Yeah, look.
Oh, nice.
Hey, can I hop on?
Open the doors.
Did you unlock the door?
I thought it would be much more awesome if the doors would go up. Are the seats comfortable?
No, they're not.
Are they too low for you?
You're in the middle, for food. The seat is next to you.
Wait, what am I? I was sitting. Never mind, don't know.
Was there a joystick there?
You sitting on the joystick.
Edit that part out.
Don't edit it out. Why are you running away? Why are you running away?
He's hiding things. We got a nice looking truck over here. Nice clean rims. We got the blonde.
Oh, hello.
Nice looking car. Look at the interior.
I think I'll prefer this car for some reason.
You would?
Yeah, I kind of like this kind of cars.
There's a tank inside the car.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Definitely a protected car. That's all you're
Yeah.
protected.
That's all you need to protect it.
Hey, look. It has a car inside the car of the car.
Wait, what the hell?
Exactly.
There's the same car inside the car.
There's the same car inside the car of the car.
Keeps going.
It's the same car.
Jesus Christ, this guy loves to get the same car.
And there's another car. And another car.
You're the only car I need here.
Oh.
You're calling me a thing?
Cars are beautiful things, so.
Where are we going next?
2 stripes for we couldn't strip.
We're going to Stripes.
Yeah, we're gonna
On a
strip in
stripe.
stripes.
So here we are.
I'm too short for this.
Yeah. Like that. There we go. Nah, like that. Yeah.
Alright.
What's up, Angel?
Hey.
Had a good time with me?
Yeah, we're the only 2. Yeah. Holy shit.